Ouch! I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean
You
to.
don't need to say sorry. It's my fault too. You seems not to be familiar to me.
I'm just here to visit my cousin.
Who's your cousin?
Eric, do you
Yes.
know him?
Yes, definitely.
Look, my name is here. Wait. Your name is here too.
Really? Yeah, mine is there too. We're classmates, Goods. Who else are our classmates?
Wait. Charles. Do you know him? It's kind of familiar to me.
Maybe that's my friend. Oh yeah, it's really my friend Charles. Do you remember the guy who said that accompanied you last summer?
Yes. Charles Gulchana is his name.
So come on, let's go in.
Tanga kasi kayo.
Kung hindi niyo sana kami hindi kami nadulas.
Ang sama mo talaga. Di mo inisip kung ano mangyayari sa amin kapag natuluyan kami.
Charles? Anyari? Charles!
Iya. Di pa tayo tapos.
Charles, ano pala nangyari sa past mo? Bakit ka nagkaganyan? Naging bully?
Masama kasi binubuli din nila ako eh.
Pero kailangan bang gawin mo ulit sa kanila yun?
Siguro.
Tama naman yun.
Okay na? Start your favorite paper forward. 1. Mr. Gachano.
Huwag siyang sasaktan. Iya.
Get out! Natutulog. Sobrang tamad.
God, I know that this is my first time to come back to you after the tragedy that happened in my family. And now, I'm here to ask for your forgiveness. I know that I am not worthy to be forgiven because I have done many wrong things. But still, I'm here to ask for your forgiveness and guidance.
Ouch! I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't...
Yo, no, you didn't.
Hindi mo ba kasi masyado kayo ka. Ganoon.
Do you remember the guy that you said you met and the one who accompanied you when it's summer?
Charles Gulchana is here.
Tanga kasi kayo.
Kung hindi niyo sana kami hindi kami nadulas.
Ang sama mo talaga. Kung natuluyan kami ng...
Charles?
Iya.
You're so damn hard to please. We gotta kill this switch. You're from the 70s, but I'm